10 questions on atomic structure and bonding. We have treated this topic before. So let's try some questions on it. 1. A horizontal row of elements in the periodic table is what? A. Molecule, B. Period, C. Family, D. Atom. It is period. Period is the horizontal row of an element in the periodic table. Period. It's period. Y group is the vertical row. 2. The smallest particle of an element is dash. A. Elements, B. Molecule, C. Atom. It is actually atom. It is the smallest particle of an element. 3. A substance that cannot be broken down into other substances by chemical or physical means is what? A. Covalent bond, B. Atom, C. Element. Atom is actually the smallest particle. Why? C. Element is the substance that cannot be broken down into other substances by chemical or physical means. Element. 4. A combination of two or more atoms is what? Period is period. Molecule. Molecule is a combination of two atoms. Why? C. Atom is the smallest particle and family is nothing. So the answer is what? Molecule. Molecule is the combination of two or more atoms. Number 5. See this diagram. This is chlorine. This is mass number, the atomic mass of chlorine, 35.452. So we use to approximately, that's 35. 17 atomic number. So what is the atomic number? It's even shown in the diagram. This one is very simple. 17. 6. Do covalent bonds share or transfer electron? According to our last video, it was share electron. 7. Atoms are most stable when their outer shell is complete. True or false? I also said this in our last video. It's true. How many electrons fit on the second shell in a Bohr model? We treated this also. In the KLMN shell, the K shell, that's the first shell, is 2. Y L can carry 8 electrons, and M also can carry 8 electrons. So we are talking about L shell here. We are talking about L shell. So L shell can carry 8 electrons. B. 9. When an atom loses or gains an electron, it is called a what? A ion. The last question here. What usually form a positive ion? A. Non-metals. B. Metals. Non-metals like chlorine, its ion is what? It is negatively charged. Why metals forms positive ion? Example like sodium, it has ion, 1 positive ion like this. Why calcium, positive ion plus 2. So elements that forms a positive ion are what? Are metals. Follow ChemWithPaul for more chemistry made simple. Bye.